Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make mitais. So for this recipe you're going to need I used 4 cups of flour, or 3.5, I'm sorry, 3.5 cups of flour, and then I used a third a cup of custard powder. Vanilla, I used the vanilla one, and then I added a tablespoon of cinnamon, and a nutmeg powder. Nutmeg is very much optional, you can choose to skip that. And then I added 2 tablespoons of baking powder. So for this recipe you're not using yeast. We have yeast MITAI, but this one's baking powder MITAIs. And then I added a shredded coconut. I used the supermarket one. I think fresh shredded coconut is much better than the supermarket one, the dried one. The fresh one adds so much flavor to your mitai. So if you can get your hands on fresh coconut, that's fine. And then I added like 4 tablespoons of butter. You can use butter, you can use the oil. And then this is condensed milk. This is homemade condensed milk. I added 3 tablespoons. And then this is coconut milk. I added coconut milk little by little. That's 1 cup. I added little by little, and then I will start making my dough. We don't put sugar, because these mitais are coated with sugar, so you'll want to watch until the end of the video to see how we coat sugar in these mitais. And please guys, if you're watching this and you've not subscribed, please do. It's very much free of charge. The only thing that you're going to do is support my channel. So please subscribe if you've not subscribed, and comment below whatever you think, so that you can grow together. So I'll continue kneading. I'll continue kneading until my dough is very much together, I mean soft. These mitais are so yummy guys. They're so soft, they're crunchy on the outside, not so much crunchy, and then they're soft on the inside. They are so yummy. Perfect snacks for your tea, specifically black tea. I love this with black tea, with coffee. You can make for your kids. They're very nice snacks. So I'm going to roll these balls, and then I cut into, growing up mitais were cut in even now, though you can cut in any shape, diamond shapes. You see, so I'll cut these mitais in diamond shape. So you can see I didn't roll the dough too much, because if they're thin, if your mitais are thin, then it means that your mitais will be crunchy. They'll be so crunchy, and we don't want that. So I'll roll the second one and then cut into shapes. into diamond shape. Yeah. If you love to see a condensed milk video, homemade condensed milk video, you can comment below, yeah, so that you can bring that next. It's so easy to make. Yeah, I prefer the homemade condensed milk. So I'm going to fry. My oil is not too hot because I want my mitai to cook evenly inside. So my oil is not too hot, or rather my heat is not too high, it's medium. So I'm going to fry this until they turn golden brown, and then I'll remove them. Yeah, and then you remove them, and then you do the same for the next batch. Yeah, like so. So guys, I'll continue with the same process until all our mitais are done, and then you're going to make the sugar syrup, yeah, for coating our mitai. So in a large sufuria, use a large sufuria. I added in 1.5 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, and 3 tablespoons of vanilla, or you can use 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder, whichever that you have. So I'll bring this to a boil, but you'll stir, you'll keep on stirring until all your sugar is dissolved. Yeah, so I'll keep on stirring, yeah, until I start to see the sugar starting to crystallize on the sides of the sufuria. Yeah, don't wait too long. Yeah, or until this mixture start to be sticky, then you'll know that it's ready to put your mitai and coat your mitai with the syrup. So I'll wait for this syrup to cook well, to be ready before adding in my mitais. Use a large sufuria, yeah, for your convenience. Yeah, I'm reminding you guys to subscribe, please, and comment, support this channel any way you can. Yeah, and thank you so much as you do so. Thank you so much. So our sugar syrup is almost, yeah, so as you can see, I keep on stirring. So my sugar syrup started to be sticky, and so I added in my mitais. So you'll do as I'm doing in the video. You'll add your mitais in the syrup, and then using your kitchen towel, you're going, or your gloves, kitchen gloves, I'm going to start to coat my mitais. So I'm doing this on very low heat. Yeah, I'm doing this on very low heat. So you'll keep on coating your mitais with the sugar syrup until you'll see that it has, all the syrup has crystallized. Yeah, as you can see in the video, until all the syrup is crystallized. At this stage you can switch off your cooker. Yeah, at this stage you can switch off your cooker, and I guess our mitais are ready. They are ready to remove from the jiko or from the sufuria. Yeah, they are so yummy, guys. They are so soft. Yeah, they are very soft. Yeah, mitais are ready. As you can see, they are very well coated with the sugar syrup. You can serve this with tea, black tea, coffee, anything that you prefer, and they are so yummy. I hope you will try this very easy recipe for mitais, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you for stopping by. I don't take it for granted. I'll see you next in my next video. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye.